dog has grown a very liking for balloons ever since my friend put balloons as boobs. Okay, so we're gonna make a demonstration. Okay, guys, this is the demonstration of how my dog hates balloons. Daniel, quit grabbing it! Catch the freaking balloon before he pops it!
Hold on. Watch him pop it. You're so lucky she didn't pop it.
I got it!
Your brain is peanut.
CEO max damage is a seriously dumbass. Here. Alright, here. Alright, demonstration. First, I'm making a bear head.
Imagine Poppy right now.
Okay, ready? Sorry guys, we had to fight with the dog to get the balloon. Ready?
Okay,
Angel!
now teach me on the earth.
No! Angel, here you go!
No! No! No!
We'll be right back. Okay, I got the balloon back, but we had to run 3 houses down to find it.
He hit over the fence.
Okay, here we go. Demonstration number 2.
Go hit over the fence this time, otherwise you're getting it.
Gavin! Go. Bummer, hit that first! Hey, you fuck! No!
Numbnuts threw it in their yard.
Numbnuts threw it in their yard.
It was you, not me.
Yeah.
He got me.
Yeah. I'm too tired. Hi guys.
We're in the video here.